Hey you guys, okay, so in my video yesterday, I was talking, well today's Thursday, so in Wednesday's video, I'm posting this on Friday. Tomorrow's like, what day is it even? So anyways, this is kind of a continuation of my last video where I was gonna show you guys something really good that that I had for my lashes. We were talking about maintenance, we're talking about all kinds of beauty stuff. I didn't really get into a lot of brows. I didn't really get into something specific that I got for my lashes that kind of mimic the look of lash extensions, but it's not, you know, typical lash glue, no glue. I haven't worn any glue on my lashes since, gosh, it's been a long time. I was really into false lashes like last year at the beginning part and the year before. And then once I started using my Revitalash serum, which I still get so many questions about this, but I feel like, oh my gosh, if I say this one more time, like, I feel like some of you guys are like, enough, Tiffany, enough already. But I know some of you guys miss it and you don't watch every single video. So, I mean, even if you don't, I feel like I talk about it in every video. So, this serum I started using last July, I believe. And ever since then, I noticed such great, you know, results. I don't have a speck of anything on my eyes, no makeup or anything, no liner, just nothing on my lashes either. I just use this every night. It's like a clear serum. You just put it right on your lash line like you would, like a liquid eyeliner. I even use it on my lower lashes. So here's what, okay? It makes a difference. I feel like I can skip eyeliner a lot of the time because it's just thick. My lash line is thick now. Tons of just little hairs. I mean, and then it's been pretty consistent since, like I said, last July. It just gets better and better and better. So it's been very, very good. And cannot live without that. But I also mentioned, I think I may have cut this out when I was editing it because I knew I could not include this, but I had these sitting out to use. And I was like, you know, this truly does warrant its own video. Because I know a lot of you guys get lash extensions. Obviously, these places are closed, or, you know, you're not gonna be getting out of your home to be doing this as often as you need to. And I get it. Like, that's what my whole last video was about, was doing things to pick yourself up, put on some makeup, like do some of these things that's gonna make us look better and feel better. You know, it's not about impressing other people that we go out to see. It's about how we feel, you know. It sets the tone for your day, you know. So having your lashes done, having something like that, that's really easy. It's super cost effective. I think this whole set is like $15. It's a set of magnetic lashes, and it is not the ones that stick together. Do not think like that, okay? It's the one that has the, you know, the nice lashes and then the magnetic liner. And I really do like this little set. And like I said, it's like around $15 right now. I think when I bought mine, they were like 19, but still. And I think it had a little thing where you could get 10% off too. So I'll link to these. So I'm going to put those on for you guys. And then I also want, so we're not going to like beat around this bush, okay? We're just gonna cut to the chase. But then I'm also in this video gonna talk about like brows and stuff too, because I mentioned that a little, but I didn't really get into like the thick of it, into what I wanted to say with brows, which I think is gonna be like so good right now to do. Okay, we'll talk about that in a minute, but let's put these on. So it comes with 3 pairs of lashes that you can reuse over and over again. It comes with this little, I think it's like a little, you know, to put them on, and then your lash adhesive. It's not even adhesive. It just looks like a regular liner, but it has magnetic particles in it that then stick to the lashes. And a big thing with me with glue is I'm very sensitive to a lot of it. So you want to shake this up. That's what they said. It was a really big deal to shake it. I have not used these yet. Okay, sometimes that goes really, you know, downhill if I try something to be, but I'm like, you know what? I've been saving it because I wanted to use it the first time with you guys. But yeah, like, you know, lash adhesive, I can be sensitive, or especially like if your lashes are good. I notice the times when I use lash glue or I'm really into false lashes, it's not that it's pulling them out, it's that the glue kind of clogs all of that, you know, around, and it just, my lashes don't look as good. Like, they're just really dinky. So I just have been really afraid of not using that kind of stuff. And plus, I don't feel like I need to. But if it's something that I don't have to use, like a product, like I can just put these on and it's not like a sticky glue and all this stuff. It's just a liner, which I'd use anyways. I love that, you know? So it's no different than using like a regular liner. And I discovered these through Missy, who does my Botox, a couple weeks ago when I was there. Her lashes looked incredible and she was wearing this, the smallest set. And I thought she'd gotten lash extensions. Like, it just looked perfect and wispy and really pretty. And she was like, no girl, let me show you these. I was like sold, but what's funny is she had discovered them through my friend Sarah. So it's like 2 people that I know really gave this their like seal of approval, and I saw it on Missy and I just really loved it. So, okay, so it looks like just a typical, you know, thingy dangy. So we're gonna put it on. And I feel like the thicker you're gonna do this, probably the better. Sometimes with me, I do not do a lot of liner on my inner corner, but I'm thinking with these, you're not gonna be able to go too thin over there because you're really gonna want it to stick. Speaking of that video too, I've got to redo my nails. Just because I feel like it just makes me feel good. Yeah, if you missed that video, it's just so many good things, good tips of things that you can do at home. And not just typical like, yeah, just paint your nails, who cares, or whatever. It's like real things that's gonna give you kind of like a similar result, if not better, because honestly, I would pick those nails that I use over going to a salon. It's just what I love. I think this looks pretty good. Let me see. Like I said, so many of you guys, if you are really like, okay, you know, I've got, you know, you've got no lashes, or you're just like really like, okay, you depend on your lash extensions to make you feel good. Whoa, that got real thick. I hope this helps. And it's like just something that you can do just like, you know, to make you feel better. And like I said, when I saw those on her, I was like real impressed. I mean, they looked real good. I thought, like I said, I thought she'd gotten lash extensions. Okay, so make that a little thicker right there, because I'm already anticipating that I'm gonna do that part too thin, and it may not, because you know how lashes always lift right there, especially on me because of my eyeball shape. I feel like they're just real round or something, or they always lift right there if I'm not careful. So make sure this is on good. And it said on the instructions to let it dry for a minute, which this is great because usually when I do false lashes, I'm like, you know, and then you have to put them on like right away. This is great because it's like, who cares? Just let it dry. So you can really work to get your liner looking nice. And this is actually like a decent looking liner. I feel like this is thicker than I would do my liner, obviously, on the daily. But when you have on thicker lashes, it's pretty to have on thicker liner. And I feel kind of like this is one of those things where like you don't really even need any eyeshadow with it. It's just kind of like if you have this one thing, you can get a good effect. So I think that's real thick. I think that's good. So let's let it dry for a minute. Pick which one. The bands aren't that thick. That's just the little strip that's keeping them stuck on. I don't know. We'll try the different ones. I think this one's gonna be like real, like, woo, real dramatic. But I think on the daily, I think that's the one she was wearing, and it was so pretty. I'm like, she was saying, you know, you can wear these over and over. I just want to make sure it's really dry. You can wear these over and over again. So it's like, for the price, I feel like that's a really good deal. Oh, and then I wanted to mention this too while this dries. I mean, I think it's fine, but let's just talk. Who cares? Today I was going to do my like morning routine and like my, you know, like my typical makeup and like hair, just easy for, you know, if you if you missed that video, watch that last one. Full of very like real beauty advice, probably the realest beauty advice I've ever given, and probably some of the most helpful, okay? Like, I'm just not even kidding. I think that was just such a good video. Sorry if I do say so. But yeah, I was gonna do that video today where I was talking about like my morning routine. I really did want to finish this topic because, you know, we can do that, okay? We'll do that soon. All right, so let's do it. Usually when I do lashes, I just pick them up and put them on, but I think this is gonna be important, so let's just use this. Let's use the smallest set. It's kind of funny when I do things for the first time on here because it's like, I hope you work, I really do. Okay, let's do it. Oh my goodness. That was a cool feel. Wow. Wow, okay. Ooh. That is a real good feel. And they're like on there. Do you guys remember when I did those magnetic lashes? Like, I don't even know how long ago was that, but it was the ones where you had to have the 2 pieces and put them together. For some reason, mine kept repelling, and I was determined. Ooh, they're comfortable too. And I was determined to make them work, and there was no making them work. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember that? When, wow, and the band, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like real close. That's how they looked on her too. I remember I got really close. She was like, whoa, don't get too close. I was like, no, they look very, very good, you know? Oh my gosh, yeah, I made a mess because I was like getting that off my eyelashes. But wow. Okay, let's use a bigger set. I think I'm gonna like these middle ones, don't you think? I don't know. I'm really excited. I guess sometimes like you put something on and you're like, gosh, which would have really sucked if I would have done this whole video and that would have been the outcome, because it's like, nice job, like, I guess I just wasted your time today. But, oh my gosh, these look so good. It is such a weird feeling, like, when it goes on, you can kind of make sure. Oh my goodness. It feels like snug and secure. This is like my dream come true because, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, real lashes. Okay, so this is a bigger pair than that. So obviously, not real lashes, but like typical, wow. Sorry, I'm just like really mega impressed right now. It's typical, like false lashes, right? The typical ones that have like, you know, the adhesive. That's my problem is I put them on and I have to get them real close to my lash line. These, it's like it can't go anywhere else because it's gonna follow that line. Lashes are actually like done really well. I feel they are like really on there. I wonder if I pulled off, I really like this middle pair. Those are real big. I wonder if I pulled them off, I could do this thicker pair and it would not, I wonder what it'll do. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, like, I mean, obviously it took off a little bit of the glue because it probably just wasn't dried all the way. But, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, those really stuck on. Gosh, even with pulling off some of the glue, those really got on there. So that's like the thickest pair. Honestly, I feel like that middle pair looked the most flared, but these are the thicker ones. I like the middle ones, I think, the best. So I took off both. I think I'm actually gonna, I'm gonna put on a little more of the, obviously you don't wanna be pulling them off, pull back on, because you know, it takes off some of it when it pulls off. And I think what you need to do is just kind of, you know, kind of clean that off of the little magnets, you know, I think, and then you can wear them. Oh my gosh, you could wear them over and over if you did that. It's not goopy or anything, it's just like tiny little magnet strips, and if you just take like your fingernail and just wipe up the stuff, I think you're just gonna be able to wear those again and again. So let me redo this real quick, and I'm gonna put on the pair. I'm just gonna put on like a matching pair. All right, no big deal. Let me let that dry. Okay, so where our brows are concerned, I've said this over the years, like, okay, if you want to get your brows like back to a good state, especially like grow them out, just don't touch them for a long time. Put your magnifying mirrors away, put your tweezers, hide your tweezers, and just don't do anything unless if something's like right here or like way up somewhere. Just don't try to shape or anything until they're completely grown out. It'd be a good time to let them grow out. And then what I do, because I over-tweezed mine years ago, but like I have not plucked a hair from my eyebrows in probably like, I can't even think of how long it's been. Over 5 years, like so long. Unless if like I just have one like in a really wonky spot, or it's like I have a brow like right here. Try to like clean them up and just go with your natural shape. And my very biggest tip, obviously, besides growing them out, which is such a good thing to do right now, once you get them to a decent point, or if you're just like, I can't take this anymore, I've got to do something to them, do not ever, ever, ever tweeze your brows from just clean brows. My biggest tip is to take your brow pencil. My very favorite is this Revlon Color Stay, and I use the shade Blonde. See, I just should have gone with my instinct and done the first. Y'all, these are so easy. I don't think I could ever do like lash glue again. Like, what in the world? So flippin' easy. Okay, so, yeah, biggest tip ever though with the brows. Fill them in first, okay? Before you tweeze, before you shape them, get your makeup mirror, get your pencil, get whatever you're gonna do. Fill them in first into whatever shape you like or how you want them to be, and really comb them out. And then whatever is just majorly on the edge, that's what you need to tweeze. So just like do your brows like you would normally, or what you would like, you know what I mean? Ignoring the all the strays, but not ignoring your natural brow shape, you know what I mean? Stick with your natural brow shape, just improve it, do like what you want with it, and then tweeze whatever's left. So it always kills me when and even when I think, like, why did it always kills me when I see people doing that, like the opposite of when I used to do that myself, because that's just the way that I think that's just ingrained to do, like, just tweeze your brow, you know, no, do your brows first, you know? So anyways, so yeah, with brows, I think that's a good time now to really get them looking good. Gosh, but then I'm like playing around. Okay, see, I can't. So I took those off again, and then I put the middle pair on. Oh my gosh, I'm having like a problem, but that's good because I think they're all nice. But oh my gosh, I just really am excited about this. This could have gone very badly. So anyways, y'all, I hope that you guys are doing well. I hope that you'll try these out if you're looking for something like this. It might like help you feel a little fancier with pretty minimum effort, I feel, right? Like I have no other eye makeup, and you know, I didn't spend like forever doing any of that. It took like 2 seconds. It was like eyeliner anyway. Okay, I can't get over it. It's just great. So I am so happy that I'm happy that I saw her lashes that day, and really cool to discover something like that that's totally different than anything I've ever tried before, and that kind of solves all my, you know, false lash issues that I have with them. The reason, you know, why I don't really like love them so much with, you know, no glue. It's just great. So anyways, y'all, I hope that you'll check those out, and then maybe you'll be inspired to get your eyebrows the way you want them, or whatever, close to the way you want them, right? Anyways, y'all, I hope that you enjoyed this video today. I so enjoyed doing these extra videos this week, and I'm going to try to do the same next week. If not 3, at least 2, I'm really going to try. I think it's just so much fun to connect during this time, to do all that. And, yeah, I've got so many good things coming up, fun things, but definitely do have enough, you know, videos to do 3 a week. I feel like I've got so much to talk about, and lots of fun favorites coming up soon that are going to be like, you know, actual things that I'm enjoying right now, or some really specific things that I'm enjoying. So really good favorites coming up. I'm going to try to post on Monday. If I don't post on Monday, I'll definitely post on Wednesday, but I'm going to really try to post Monday and Friday this week. And yeah, we'll see you guys then. Take care of yourselves. I love you guys, and thank you as always for watching and for spending this time together. And wow, yeah. I think the second set, right? Second set's good. Okay. Yeah, they're all good. Okay, but whatever. Okay. Try them out for yourselves. If not, it's just a fun thing to do, right? It was so fun to do, right? Okay, I'll stop talking. Love you guys. Have a good weekend. I will see you again in a couple days. And yeah, bye y'all.